Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we are going to be guiding you through how to cancel your Westpac credit card. To cancel your Westpac credit card, first of all, go ahead and open a web browser. Once you open up a web browser, go to the URL box and type in westpac.com.au and press enter on your keyboard. Once you get to the official website for Westpac, click on the help button at the top of the screen. Select Contact Us from the options and you will be able to see necessary phone numbers displayed on the screen. Call on the number for general inquiries, and once you speak to the customer service representative, tell them that you would like to cancel your credit card. Be prepared to provide any kind of identity verification. They will then guide you through the steps and you will be able to cancel your Westpac credit card. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.